Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to screen and filter messages from unknown senders in iOS 26 or later. With the introduction of iOS 26, Apple has expanded its message filtering tools, giving you better control over spam and unwanted text. These new options make it pretty easy to separate unknown senders and keep your messages app organized and clutter-free. That said, let's get started. So first of all, let's learn how to enable the message filtering feature on your iPhone. To do so, launch the Messages app on your iPhone. Then you have to tap the filter menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to select Manage Filtering option, which opens the Messages section in Settings. Then you have to turn on the toggle located next to Screen Unknown Senders. Once enabled, you will see a new unknown senders category in the Messages filter menu. And now let's learn how to perfectly adjust filtering options on your iPhone. In the filtering settings, you'll also find additional options to customize how texts are handled. Allow notifications. You can use it to choose whether alerts appear for certain messages from unknown numbers like verification codes. Text message filter. It provides extra screening, though it may only show if you use a third-party filtering extension. Varies by region and carrier. Filter spam. It is enabled by default, automatically moving suspected spam into its own folder. It's worth pointing out that if text message filter is available, it adds categories like transactions and promotions to your filter menu for even more control over business and marketing text. Now let's talk about how to manage unknown senders. Messages from numbers not saved in your contacts will be directed to the unknown senders section. A counter next to the category shows how many new messages you have, but you won't receive distracting alerts. To check them, just open the filter menu and then you have to tap unknown senders. From here you can tap a thread and press mark as known so future messages from that number appear in your main inbox. Then you can also tap the sender's number at the top and add them to contacts, ensuring they are never filtered again. And now, let's talk about how to recover spam messages on your iPhone. If iOS 26 mistakenly places a legitimate text in the spam folder, you can easily restore it. Just open the spam section in the filter menu inside the Messages app. After that, select the message. Then you have to tap Not Spam. The message will instantly return to your main inbox and future text from that sender won't be marked as spam. If spam filtering isn't working as you would like, you can always disable filter spam in the messages settings, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily screen and filter messages from unknown senders on your iPhone running iOS 26 or later. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of them as and when the need arrives in order to keep the unwanted messages at a fair distance and also keep your messages perfectly organized. And I'll catch you up in the next one.